Imagine when you wake up at an ungodly hour, drive to the office through total gridlock, streets jammed with other half-asleep commuters, slog through email after mind-numbing email until the sweet release at 5 o'clock. Sound terrible? What if, instead of dealing with the monotony and stupor of the rat race to earn a few bucks, you could make money at any time, from anywhere, even while you sleep? I want to tell you, that's the concept behind affiliate marketing. This is not a gambling game or a gambling business. My name is Enoch, and today I want to teach you the MasterClass for the beginners, how to get started affiliate marketing in 2022. Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push towards less traditional marketing tactics has paid off. In fact, 80% of brands and 94% of publishers leverage the power of affiliate marketing, a statistic that will continue to increase as long as affiliate marketing spending increases every year in the United States. In 2018, content marketing costs were gauged to be 62% of traditional marketing schemes, while simultaneously generating 3 times the leads of traditional methods. In fact, 16% of all orders made online can be attributed to the impact of affiliate marketing. In March of 2017, Amazon's affiliate structure changed, offering rates of 1 to 10% of product revenue for creators, providing the opportunity for affiliates to dramatically increase their passive income based on the vertical they're selling on. The affiliate marketing of Jason Stone, otherwise known as Millionaire Mentor, was responsible for as much as $7 million in retailer sales just in the months of June and July in 2017. There is a 10.1% increase in affiliate marketing spending in the United States each year, meaning that by 2025, that number will reach $36.8 billion. What is now affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes the product, and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. How does affiliate marketing work? Many people don't know how affiliate marketing works, but try and get it right today. Affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across parties. It manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy, while providing contributors with a share of the profit. Note, the product we will be talking about is not the real physical product, and about 70% of the product you can sell now are digitalized. So, to make this work, 3 different parties must be involved: seller and product creators, the affiliate or advertiser, the consumer. Let's delve into the complex relationship these 3 parties share to ensure affiliate marketing is a success. 1. Seller and product creators. The seller, whether a solo entrepreneur or large enterprise, is a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object, like household goods, or a service, like makeup tutorials. Also known as the brand, The seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be the advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a dropshipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to promote their products, or the seller could be a SaaS company that leverages affiliates to help sell their marketing software. 2. The affiliate, or publisher. Also known as a publisher, the affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential consumers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that it is valuable or beneficial to them, and convince them to purchase the product. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Affiliates often have a very specific audience to whom they market, generally adhering to that audience's interests. This creates a defined niche, or personal brand, that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will be most likely to act on the promotion. 3. The consumer. Whether the consumer knows it or not, they and their purchases are the drivers of affiliate marketing. Affiliates share these products with them on social media, blogs, and websites. When consumers buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profits. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commission for the sales they make. Other times the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Either way, they will rarely pay more for the product purchased through affiliate marketing. The affiliate's share of the profit is included in the retail price. The consumer will complete the purchase process and receive the product as normal, unaffected by the affiliate marketing system in which they are a significant part. How do affiliate marketers get paid? A quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually selling a product. Affiliate marketing has an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online. But how does an affiliate get paid after linking the seller to the consumer? The answer can get complicated, but they are simple. The consumer doesn't always need to buy the product for the affiliate to get a kickback. Depending on the program, the affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. The affiliate may get paid in various ways. 1. Pay per sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this program, the merchant pays the affiliate a percentage of the sale price of the product after the consumer purchases the product as a result of the affiliate's marketing strategies. In other words, the affiliate must actually get the investor to invest in the product before they are compensated. 2. Pay per lead. A more complex system, pay per lead affiliate programs compensates the affiliate based on the conversion of leads. The affiliate must persuade the consumer to visit the merchant's website and complete the desired action, whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a trial of a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading software or files. 3. Pay per click. This program focuses on incentivizing the affiliate to redirect consumers from their marketing platform to the merchant's website. This means the affiliate must engage the consumer to the extent that they will move from the affiliate's site to the merchant's site. The affiliate is paid based on the increase in web traffic. Yes, this is the little I can share with you today, and to make you understand the concept behind the affiliate marketing. It won't make any sense if I make a 1-hour video, and you don't learn anything from the video, but on my next video, I will talk more on the reasons to become an affiliate marketer. If you wish to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel now, and click on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop new video you will be notified. And if you would like to register for the masterclass on affiliate marketing, I will drop a link on the description section below. Thank you for watching. Share the video to help others, and if you have any question, please use the comment section below. Thank you, and see you next time.